Hello everyone, my name is Katherine Jaques and I will be getting my degree in communication. So my plans after graduating from Atlantic Cape are to involve in our 3+1 program, and from there I will be going for my bachelor's in liberal arts. I chose Atlantic Cape because it's close to home, it's affordable, and it really is a beautiful campus. Just all of the amazing facilities here and all of the student resources, all of the clubs. It really is such an amazing campus with so many things to offer. My biggest challenge when I came to Atlantic Cape was defeating my social anxiety, because I lived in Georgia for 14 years and I was homeschooled and I did go to high school, but even through all that I had a lot of social anxiety, and I came here still with a lot of social anxiety. So that's when I forced myself to join like every conceivable club, multiple clubs, and it really has helped me, and Atlantic Cape has saved me in a lot of ways. So clubs like the Atlantic Cape Review, our college newspaper here, have really increased my confidence, my writing skills, my layout design skills, my social skills. I've learned to assume a leadership position where I can control my own newsroom, I can assign people stories, what to do, I can help them and I can help other people. My degree is journalism and public relations, and I feel that I really have learned all the necessary skills to excel in all of those areas.